Now that the body is complete, let's move on to making the ribs. Line up the ends of the rib fabric with the right sides facing each other, and pin it about 1 cm from the edge, that's around 3/8 of an inch. Do the same for all 3 pieces, pinning them in place. Sew them using a straight stitch. Be careful at the start of sewing to prevent the fabric from getting pulled into the sewing machine's needle plate hole. Once sewn, press the seam allowance open and fold the piece in half with the right side facing out, like this. Make the same shape with the other 2 pieces as well. Have you finished all 3 ribs? Alright, let's sew the ribs onto the body. You can start with any rib, but this time, we'll begin with the neck rib. Align the seam of the rib with either shoulder seam and secure it with a pin. Press the seam allowance of the body toward the front body before pinning. The seam allowance can be pressed to either side, but for a clean finish, ensure both sides are consistent. If you press the right side toward the front body, do the same for the left side. Avoid having one side pressed toward the front body and the other toward the back body. Once you've pinned one side, fold the rib in half since it's shorter than the body, and pin the other end. For larger sizes, it can be challenging to match the lengths by hand, so fold the rib in half, mark the opposite side of the seam, then fold it in half again to mark it into quarters. This way, you'll have 4 evenly spaced marks. Pinning at each of these marked points makes it easier to secure the rib evenly. Take the 2 points you pinned earlier, fold the rib in half again, and pin the fold marks to divide it into quarters. After pinning the rib into quarters, continue pinning in between the marks to secure it more evenly. For larger sizes, adding more pins between the sections might make sewing easier. You'll be sewing where you pin, so make sure to place the pins about 1 cm from the edge, that's around 3/8 of an inch. Now that it's pinned, let's start sewing. Sew all the way around with a straight stitch, keeping a 1 cm seam allowance, that's about 3/8 of an inch. Since the rib is shorter, stretch it slightly to match the body fabric as you sew along with the zigzag stitch. Be careful not to stretch the body fabric as it can cause the neckline to stretch out. Instead, gently guide the rib to match the body without pulling on the body fabric. Great job! Next, use a zigzag stitch to finish the seam allowance. Trim off the excess seam allowance. Before trimming, take a look all the way around to check for any tucks or folds in the fabric. Be careful not to cut the stitches while trimming. With that, the rib is now attached. Next, attach the arm ribs in the same way. For the arm ribs, align the rib seam with the side seam of the body and pin them together.